Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick get ready with me because I have some errands to run. So let's see how fast I can put this makeup on. I'm using my Seint palette. I'm going to first start with just warming up my skin with some bronzer. And we'll blend that all in. And then I'm going to use my brush to go in with my color corrector. This is like covering up my redness. Just dab that on my cheek right there where it's red. This is one layer makeup. You don't need to layer everything on top of each other. You just put the color where you want to cover or distract from something that is not the color you want. So just a quick cover, and then I'm going to go in with my main shade and put that on my jawline. And I'm just doing a light coverage. I don't need a lot, especially when you're just going shopping or running errands. And I like this because it's light. I used my Super Goop matte, mineral matte sunscreen first, so my skincare first and then sunscreen, because I am going to be outdoors at a shopping area. So, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of contour, blend that in a second. Always kind of brush up a little bit. You put it around your hairline, although it's not really necessary today to do a bunch, but, and then along my nose, a little bit under my lip. You can do your jawline if you want, like this. I don't always do that. And then I'm going to go in with my palette of Demi, and I'm going to do that light pink color and just get rid of this. And again, I'm just doing a little bit today. I'm not really being super focused on, but I want to look put together. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my brush here, and I'm going to pick up my highlight and just highlight the center of my face. You could do a little bit here. I typically try to not do too much under my eyes. And then for blush, I have this whole palette. And today I think I'm going to use, well, let's just try Frenchie. Frenchie is this color here. Spring here where I live. It's beautiful out, probably a high of 60, no, excuse me, high of in the 80s, maybe 85. And then this color looks like this. I might add some gloss to that. And then you could do a highlight that is an illuminator just on the tops here or anywhere like that. And then you just put setting spray. I use Seint setting spray on my damp sponge, and I just go in and set the areas. Removes a little bit of product, enough where it blends it and it doesn't feel sticky. If it feels sticky, you need to blend it a little bit more. Okay, feels good. And take out my hair. Okay, and that was today's quick get ready with me. If you'd like a free color match, just click the link in my bio. There's links there. There's a QR code on Instagram. If this is YouTube, you just click the link and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.